Yep. Over to there. Whoosh. Yep. Next. From the right, cross, a little bit smoother. Do it softly. On the left, on your left, better. Yep. Now, how far you go with the right foot? Right foot, right, yeah, the right foot. Left foot, left. But you see what you both, you see, you're going way out there, but it's this one. This one has to go to there. No, from fifth. From fifth, the overcrossing foot. Yes. No, start from fifth. Because now you're going to go this way. So your right foot, how far can you bring that right heel? The right heel. How far? Now come on. But you see what's happening? You're putting too much energy into the left foot, so it's making you clunk. You've got to keep all the weight on the right. Now bring the right foot. Come on, bring it. Yeah, better. And then that foot should be in the air already. You see what I mean? It has to replace it. Right, and yeah, too much. Yeah, you got to really keep the weight into that right foot, and how far, yeah, does it go? All right, now how far? Yeah, but you're still too eager. You're too eager to get it. You are too. Yeah, I know, but this is why the difference in the glissades. You know, whether the movement is abrupt and jerky or smooth. I know.